2, 3. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Tri Squad.
I thought I was gonna say it.
Hi guys! This is Tri Squad. I'm Leslie.
I'm Suhei.
I'm Yazzie. And today we're doing a snack crate box, and let's see what country we got. So,
I think we got
China.
Australia. So we have little stickers that they send you. And just a snack crate. I'm going to show you what's inside of it.
blue pineapple. Wow.
Oh. Jesus Christ. It has pineapples and those kind of look like Fritos and
Cheese. Twisties.
bunch of things. Alright, so let's get the show on the road. We're gonna do
We'll tell you what we got as we go.
Alright, so we got
What do you call it?
twisty cheese. And it says life's pretty straight without twisty cheese.
See what they are though.
Right there.
Oh, they smell like
They're
Cheetos.
Australia's most popular snack. This crispy cheese flavored corn.
They smell like Cheetos.
I'm not sure if I can.
Ready?
Cheetos.
1.
They're not bad.
So like cheesy.
They kind of taste like a rice cake with cheese.
I mean, I didn't like the smell, but I like how they taste.
It's not that great.
But
I
the
know.
cheese is too artificial. I think so.
And you could taste the rice. I think. Okay.
Oh, that was
Alright. So next we have some pineapple. No,
Where are they at?
artificial.
Pineapple shaped gummy.
Yeah. They look like SpongeBob's house.
They're basically gummies. Let's see. I love
For
gummies.
sure.
They're hard.
Oh,
They
I
smell
got
good.
2.
Okay, because you're getting two. Oh shoot.
They smell good.
Ready? Go.
Oh, they look chewy. Another one.
They're good. I would actually purchase
I would
them
purchase
again.
them, yeah.
They're really good.
No artificial colors.
Okay. So now we got
Ooh, French fries?
French fries.
Australia's original crunchy potato straw snack.
Oh, they're tiny. They look like Freddy fries.
Oh my
Oh,
god,
they're
they
so
do.
cute.
Oh,
They taste
Oops.
like
they
Lay's.
literally taste like Freddy fries.
I think they taste like Lay's, like literally, like the original ones.
Just like in a fried version.
Oh, my pineapple.
In a fried version. They're good. I just wish they were like
Less messy.
less.
like not so thin.
Yeah.
Because it's kind of hard to be like.
Well, if you think about it.
It'll take you forever to finish that bag.
Yeah.
Or else-
Next, we have
What do you have?
some.
Oh my god, they have a Milky Way.
Damn it! I can't get the box.
Why do you keep on closing? You just leave it
it
open.
So
Let
they're
it be.
shaped original pizzas.
Biscuits. They're flavored biscuits.
Flavor you could see.
They're
They smell
really
like
good.
Don't tell me they smell like
the Pringles.
Oh, okay. I thought
Touch.
you know those pizzas like
I mean,
1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers.
the seasoning that they use reminds me of sopa maruchan.
Oh yeah. Ramen noodles.
Tastes like a Ritz cracker. Not like a Ritz cracker. But
I don't think I would eat them.
Kind of.
again.
They're not that bad.
now we have a Milo. It's a snack bar with milk.
Where's it at?
By Nestle.
By who?
Leslie. Nestle.
Cereal pieces are infused with chocolate powder, formed into a bar, then dipped in milk. Ooh.
I feel like this is a breakfast snack.
Like granola bar.
Oh, it looks like a Rice Krispie treat.
It smells a little weird.
Oh god.
It smells like dog food.
Oh my goodness. Let's see how
No
this
hate
goes.
or anything, but maybe it tastes better than it
You
smells.
already taste.
I actually
Cocoa
like
Puffs.
it.
They literally taste like Rice Krispies.
I like the milk part.
Yeah, it's like sweet.
They're really good. I might just move to Australia.
Find yourself a snack.
A whole meal. Just, you know what I'm saying?
So we have a Wagon Wheel original chocolate coated marshmallow and jam. Kind of sounds
I
like
feel
a
like
moon
the
pie.
yes. Oh, but thinner, you know. That looks pink. Oh, what else
It
does
has
have?
jam in it.
I feel like I'm gonna like this. It smells like, you know what smells, what is that called? It's like a Mexican.
Like mammoths, I think that's what they're called. Like,
I just want that.
but like, this is thinner.
Oh, sweet.
It's a little too sweet for my taste.
I thought it was gonna be better.
Okay. Now we have a
Milky Way.
No, I'm looking forward to that.
It's a
Hopefully
chocolate
tastes-
whip, won't run on your appetite.
So instead of caramel,
As
they
much
put a nugget. Is that how you pronounce it?
nugget.
Nugget? A nugget. I don't know. A nugget center nugget. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's not caramel.
Oh, nougat.
Nugget?
Is it nougat?
I don't know.
I
I like
like
it. It's really good.
It's like a Tootsie Roll. Have a rest.
It's a lot.
We have a chomp. Caramel chomp.
A crispy wafer layered with caramel, then coated in rich milk chocolate.
They like chocolate, yo. Chomp.
Milo snack.
Oh,
Is
it's
it?
a little.
Oh,
Oh,
whoa.
God.
Is it like an imitation of like the Twix?
It smells like it. It looks like a Twix.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like it's because it has like a wafer part.
Not
We're
bad.
making a mess, you know.
This is like a waffle. Is that what it is? A waffle?
A wafer?
Yeah. A waffle.
Oh, waffle.
It's pretty good. Savory. Oh wow, that's huge.
It's a violet crumble.
That's a lot of chocolate.
Oh god.
They Australian people must like chocolate. It fell.
It's my issue.
I guess I'll have to eat it like that.
You gotta.
It tastes
Oh
like-
my god, it's so hard.
That's what she said.
The inside reminds me of flan.
Kind of tastes like a Butterfinger.
I don't really like it. I don't like the
The inside.
texture. I mean, the inside like melts in your mouth, huh?
Yeah.
But I don't.
Like kind of like the Whoppers. Like
See, and I don't like Whoppers. See, that's why I don't like it. Fantales?
Here.
Smooth and velvety caramels coated with milk chocolate.
I'm gonna have like a sugar rush later. That's what they look like. This is
Is it hard?
Oh my god. Mm-mm. It's really hard.
I feel like it's one of those chocolate caramel squares and you just dip it in chocolate.
It's super like
It was a bad idea putting that whole thing in my mouth.
sticky. I don't know.
Ah.
And next.
Okay. Last chocolate
Can we have something else?
is a Tim Tam
Something savory.
fingers.
Chocolate.
It's a crunch chocolate biscuit fingered.
Whoa, that's a lot of chocolate. Look, 2 chocolate cookie biscuits are filled with smooth chocolate cream, then drenched in even more chocolate.
Australian.
They must really love their chocolate.
It's not too bad. It's not too sweet. It's pretty good.
I like the inside. It's like crunchy.
It's
And
really
last but not least, Oh, okay, we have another one. We have like 4 of these, 5 of these.
Oh no, thank you. Just keep it in your box.
Maybe we
You
can give
can
it to
have
the cutie.
them.
And then we got.
Downstairs.
Ooh, we got a drink. It doesn't have it here, but
It does.
Yeah.
it's a crushing thirst. It has real lemon juice, and it's popular on a hot day throughout Australia. Lemon juice.
We'll see.
I mean, I like lemon, so.
Seems like you're having a hard time there.
Okay.
Oh God.
Oh,
Oh, look. There we go. There we go. There we go.
good luck with opening it with your nails.
I got this. Oh, there was an opening the whole time. Well,
I like these.
now that we know. Okay, so. It smells good. It smells like lemonade. Like Minute Maid.
Smell it. Let me see. It smells like lemonade.
Lemon,
I feel like it's gonna taste
A little
like
stronger
lemonade.
than lemonade, maybe.
Don't grab yet.
It still doesn't have a strong taste of lemonade.
You know the lemon juice that you buy from the store?
It's pretty good.
It has a weird aftertaste.
Like the artificial lemon. The one that comes in the green bottle.
Mm-hmm.
It feels like it's that and just like soda.
Sparkling water,
Yeah.
soda water, whatever it is. I like it.
So
Solo.
now- Solo like alone.
Solo since
Solo.
1973. My life.
I really like this.
What was your
My
favorite snack?
favorite, I'd say, would be the pineapple. I love gummies, or the Tim Tam. This one was really good.
I like the pineapple and pass me the French fries.
Oh, I love
And the
another
French
pineapple.
fries. What was your favorite?
To be honest, I
Know
think
your portions.
I like
for pineapple.
the pineapple, the French fries, the Tim Tams, and the soda.
Everything was good.
Is this-
I'd say these were my least favorite.
My least favorite were these violet crumble. Those are gross.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Or no.
And then this.
Oh, and this,
This hard shit.
it was
Yeah.
too hard, like, to chew it. A hard time going.
Mm-hmm. But other than that, it was pretty good. I can't wait till the next one. Please like
Subscribe.
Share.
and comment down below.
Thank you.
Comment down below
Show some love.
which one you would try. Which one do you think would be?
See you in the next video.
Peace.